Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS NQT has started the examination. So today we are going to do the analysis of exam which is conducted on 20 of August. That means today. And in this video, I will be also solving the aptitude question which was asked in the today's exam. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end, okay? Because all the questions are very important. Now, so let us start with the analysis of today's exam. So friends, as you know, so there are sections like routine, foundation and advanced. Okay, advanced section 1, advanced section 2. Now, so what is routine? Many people are asking. So friend, routine, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so you will be given around 40 seconds and you'll have to just select the 10 images. So that is not a problem, you will be easily able to do it. Okay, so this section you don't worry about that. And then foundation section. So friends, in foundation section, we have numerical ability, we have reasoning ability and we have verbal ability. So reasoning ability you will be getting 20 question, numerical ability you will be getting 20 question, and verbal ability you will be getting 25 question. So basically total 65 question will be given to you and the time will be 75 minutes. Okay, now so basically you can say you will be getting for one question you will be getting 1 minute and then 10-minute extra time. You can keep that like that in your mind. Now few points which I wanted to clear. So there is no negative marking. Okay, so you have to attempt all the question. There is no question wise timer, so you will be getting total 75 minutes for this 65 question. Okay, then so overall moderate difficulty level. So if we'll talk about the today's paper, so 28th of I mean 20th of August, then the difficulty level is nothing but moderate. Okay, so this is the few information which I wanted to give you, and I know you will still have many queries, so you can put that in comment section so that I will be able to reply you to the queries. Okay, now let us start with the question number one. But before that, I wanted to tell you, friends, so if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. Okay, and click on bell icon. I will also open the calculator, because in TCS you will be getting the on screen calculator. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, because we are doing the analysis of 19th of August here, so yesterday both the shifts we had done the analysis. Okay, so now we will start you solving question number one. So a person completes a journey in 12 hours. So suppose if total distance is nothing but d, total distance. See, when we make a figure and then if you try to solve, then it will become very easy. So a person completes the total journey of suppose d kilometer in how many hours? 12 hours. Okay, now then they are saying he travels the first half of the journey at the rate of 19 km per hour. Okay, so first half means total distance is d, so half distance will be d by 2. And then the second half of the journey, so again the second half will be d by 2 with the speed of 21 km per hour. See, till now what we have done, so this data has been given in question, I have not done anything from my side. Okay, see, whenever you are solving a question of aptitude, try to write the data which is given in the question, then aptitude problem will become very simple, trust me. Okay, now so they're asking what is the total journey in kilometers. So this d you have to calculate. So can I write, so total time. Okay, so can I write total time is equals to the time in the first half plus the time taken in the second half. See, total journey time is 12 hours. Okay, so can I write total time is equals to the the time taken in the covering the first half plus the time taken in covering the second half. Now so total time here is nothing but 12 hours. Okay, and you also know the formula, distance will be equal to speed into time. Okay, now t1, so t1 will be d1 by s1 and t2 will be d2 by s2. Okay, fine. So here it is 12 is equals to d1. So d1, so first half distance, that means d by 2. And if we'll talk about s1 speed is 19 km per hour. And then d2 again will be d by 2, another half distance, and the speed is nothing but 21 km per hour. If you'll solve this, that's all, you will be able to get the answer. Okay, now here what I will do, see, you can directly use the calculator, but let us see, every time don't use a calculator. 12. Okay, so d by 2 I will take common, my dear friends. So 1 by 19 plus 1 by 21. Okay, now so 2, so here it will become 24 will be equal to d into LCM. So 19 into 21, and here 19 plus 21. Okay, now So 24 into 19 cross multiplication into 21 and divided by 40 will be equal to D, and then D will become equal to 239.4 if you use the calculator. Okay, so here the calculator, on screen calculator will be given, so you can do it. If you don't believe me, then you can do it, because I have already done this calculation. Is divided by 40, so divided by 40 will be equal to 239.4. So for question number 1, option C will become the correct answer. Okay, see friends, for the one section, okay, so I mean for the one slot, complete morning slot, okay, so complete morning slot, so even the questions you will be getting will be different. It's not like everybody will be getting the same question. Okay, so some sets will be there, like suppose set A and set B. Okay, now in set A the options will be shuffled, and set B the options will be shuffled. Okay, so like this different sets will be there, so you might not get the question which I am solving now. So question number 1 was from the topic time and distance. Time and distance. Okay, I hope it will be clear to you. So if you have any doubt or in any question, you can ask me to explain that in comment box. I will try. Okay, next. So next question is definitely from time and work. Time and work. Okay, so Sangeeta can complete a work in 16 days working 10 hours per day. So basically I'm going to tell you one trick, and I also know that some of you might not be able to understand this. I will tell you the reason. The reason is because basic, you see, you have not attended my basic classes, but whoever has got the crash course, they definitely knows how I'll be solving it, and this kind of questions has been already solved in the crash course. Now Sangeeta can complete a work in 16 days working 10 hours per day. So 16 days and 10 hours. Okay, then Sahitya can complete the same work in 18 days working 8 hours a day. Now so this is nothing but Sangeeta, and this is nothing but Sahitya. So basically I use LCM technique. I use LCM technique to solve the question. So this will become 160 and this will become 144, right? Okay, now so friends, basically we have to take the LCM of both of these. So if you want to make it little more simple to take the LCM, so what I will do, I can write 16 into 10 and 16 into 9. Now I will take the LCM. Okay, see this, we are going to use the LCM technique to solve the question. So if you can even find out the LCM technique time and work video on our channel. Now so when you will take the LCM, so friends, always remember when you are going to take the LCM, and if we have the common number, then instead of 2, 1 will come. So we have 216, so 116 will come, and then 10, so only one 10 is there, only one 9 is there. This became our LCM, and LCM is nothing but our work. In time and work, it's very simple. Okay, see what I did, 16 days working 10 hours per day, so it is nothing but 160, and Saitya completes 18 days working 8 hours per day, so it is nothing but 144. So for taking LCM, I have just factorized it. I have written in form of 16, so that for 216 we will have only 160. Now the total work we have is 16 into 10 into 9. Okay, now so and now efficiency we will be able to calculate. So if we'll divide this, so if we'll divide this by 16 into 10, then efficiency will become 9, and here the efficiency will become 10. Okay, so this is a very basic approach I am using it. Okay, so efficiency we know. Now what they're asking, if both of them work together 9 hours per day, so both of them are working 9 hours per day, and both of them can complete how many work in a day, so both of them can complete 10 plus 9, 19 work in a day. So how many days are required? So 9 and 9 will get cancelled, 160 by 19, so 160 by 19 days will be the correct answer. Okay, see this is LCM technique, and it is very very easy. So you will be hardly taking 30 seconds to solve this question if you know the basics. Okay, if you don't know the basic, then you have to watch the basics LCM technique. See what I have done. So 16 10 ja 160. I have taken the LCM. 18 8 ja 144. I have taken the LCM, and then so whatever, once you'll take LCM, that will become work. And if we'll divide this by 16 by 10, it is efficiency. If we'll divide by 16 into 9, it is efficiency. Efficiency means 1 day work. So Sangeeta can do 9 work in a day, and Saitya can do 10 work in a day. So if they will work together, they will be able to complete 19 work in a day. Okay, and they are working 9 hours per day, so 19 into 9, and then total work is nothing but 16 into 10 into 9. If you divide it, you will be able to get the days. I hope this will be clear to you. Next, Next is a problem from the topic average. Average, there are a lot of questions are getting asked in the TCS. Okay. Now, the average age of Raghu and Bagha is 60 years. So the average age of Raghu and Bagha. So friends, I wanted to tell you average will be nothing but equal to sum divided by number. Okay. So, okay, fine. So sum will become what? Average into number. Okay, sum will become average into number. So Raghu and Baga total age will be, okay, sum will be average into number. So average is 60 and Raghu and Baga, there are two persons are there. Raghu and Baga, so it will become 120. This is nothing but my equation 1. Okay, now, so the average age of Raghu and Baga is 60 years, which is 15 years more than the average age of Baga and Tanmay. So Baga and Tanmay, okay, so average age is 15 years less, right? See, average age is 15 years less because average age of Raghu and Baga is 60 years, which is 15 years more than 15 years more than the average age of Baga and Tanmay. So if I ask you what is average age of Baga and Tanmay, sir, it is 45. It is 45. Okay, that is the reason Raghu and Baga average age is 60 years, which is 15 years more than Baga and Tanmay. Now, so what will be Baga and Tanmay? So Baga and Tanmay, I don't know, I'm writing G here. So Baga and Tanmay. Okay, so Baga and Tanmay, their average age is 45. So 45 into 2 will become 90. Okay, so this is my equation 2. So let me just correct it. Here it is B and here it is T, because you should not have any confusion. Okay, so here it is B and here it is T. So we have got two equations. Now, the average age of Tanmay and Raghu. So the average age of Tanmay and Raghu is 65. So sum will be equal to average into number. It will become 130. This is my equation 3. Now, they're asking Daya is 12.5% older than Baga. So what is the age of Daya? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 and 2. So I will be adding 1 and 2 and then I will subtract 3. So 120 plus 90 minus 130. Okay, so it is nothing but 80. Okay, and if you subtract, if you add 1 and 2 and then subtract, so R cancel, T cancel. So this will become 2 times of Baga. So Baga age will become 40 years. Baga age will become 40 years. Now, what has been told to you? So Daya is 12.5% older than 12.5%. If you have attended my basic class of percentage, I have told you 12.5% is nothing but 1 by 8. Okay, so 41 by 8, 40, right? So 40 and 1 by 8 will be nothing but 5. Okay, so basically how we have to write. So Daya is nothing but 1 by 8 times more than Baga. So Daya is not equal to Baga, but it is 1 by 8 times more. Okay, so 40 plus 5 will be nothing but 45. Okay, 45 means option C will become the correct answer. So what is the age of Daya? So Daya is nothing but 45 years old. Okay, so question number 3 also you would have understood. Now, question number 4. So the sum of two numbers x and y is 30. The sum of two numbers x and y is 30, and their reciprocal 1 by x and 1 by y is nothing but 10 by 63. The numbers are, so friends, for this question I will tell you, you use the option attack. Okay, you use the option attack. So here you can see 17 and 13. So if we'll take 17 and 13, you will not be able to get 63, right? Because 63 is not a factor of 17 and 13. Now let us try to take the second option. So I am basically using the option attack. So now take the second option. So 1 by 9 and plus 1 by 21. So their LCM will become 9 into 21. So here 21 plus 9, that means 30 divided by 9 into 21. So 3 threes are, okay, so 10 divided by 63. So 10 divided by 63, that means option B itself will become your correct answer. So this, see, 14 and 16, again 14 will have 7. So 7, right? So you see, you will be getting an idea that this also cannot give you the answer, or you can quickly do it. There is no problem at all. 18, 20. So 18 into 20 and 18 plus 20 will be 30, right? So 3 4 ja. So this will become 10 by 72. How much time it will take? Okay, 1 by 14 plus 1 by 16. See, first option will never give you 14 into 16. So 16 plus 14 will be 30. Okay. So now this won't be divisible, and there is no option. Here you have to get it 10 by, okay, 10 by 63. So again, this you cannot do it. So this is how you have to solve the questions in the examination. You have to use your brain a bit. Now, so before we solve question number 5, I wanted to tell you, friends, once again, I wanted to remind you. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the updates. See, we are the first channel who is giving you all the updates, right? After that, only after we give the updates, so other YouTube channels will be also giving you the same update, right? Okay, so please do follow so that you get it, and you can utilize it in your examination. Now, Aslam drives to his office. So suppose his office distance is D. So Aslam drives to his office. If he increases his speed by speed of driving by 12%, then what percent will his time of travel decreases? So I will assume that see, distance will remain same, right? So distance will remain same in both the cases. In both the case, because he has to cover the same distance. I will assume the speed is 100 and I will assume the time is 100. Sir, why you are doing that? What is your problem? See, my problem is whenever option is given in terms of percentage, then you can assume whatever you want. So speed and time both I have assumed 100. Now, so here we can see distance 1 and distance 2 will be same because Aslam is covering the same distance from his home to his office in both the cases. Okay. See, second time what he has done, he has increases the speed, but distance remains same. So S1 T1 will be equal to ST22. Okay. Now S1. So 100 into 100 S2. S2 is what? So his speed has increased by 12%. So 100 will become right 112 and time we have to calculate. So T2 will be equal to 100 into 100 and divided by 112. Now you can use the calculator. Where is the calculator, my dear friends? On screen calculator will be given. So okay, divided by 112, so it will be nothing but 89.28 something. Okay, so 89.28 something. Now, so earlier the time was 100 and now it became 89.28. So just subtract it from 100, just subtract it from 100 and you will be getting 10 point, right, 10.71, 10.71. So this 10.71 percentage decrement will be there in your time. So option B becomes the correct answer for the question number 5. Okay, so I hope this video will give you a idea. So I will say the question was of moderate level, which I have told you in the beginning. Okay, so question was of moderate level. So question was of moderate level, friends. So you will be able to understand, and if you have any doubt, any queries, yeah, definitely please put in the comment box with respect to exam. So I will try to give you try to reply you basically, but this is what is the exam and this is what is the question. And yes, so do join our Telegram group also, because a lot of activities are happening on our Telegram group. So I will suggest all of you to join the Telegram group. So thank you and all the very best for your upcoming examination, and let us meet in the next video. Till then, take care.